So guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can download Autodesk software on your PC. And my laptop is a Lenovo laptop with Intel Core i7 10th generation and graphics NVIDIA. It is actually a 64-bit machine with 16 GB RAM and over 500 GB storage, total storage. So here is the platform, that is Autodesk. I will provide you the Autodesk free download links in my video description. Then in this interface of product support learn community, you have to just see where is the option to choose your operating system, and in my case it's Windows 11 or Windows 10, whatever it is. You have to click, if your device is on Windows you have to click Windows. If your device runs on Mac operating system you have to click the Mac operating system. It's very easy. And the last but not the least, if it is Linux, then you have to click the Linux, and straight away there is a download button. Just click the download and you can see it is near about 125 MB and 1 minute left to download. So let's keep waiting till the file gets downloaded. So guys, it is being downloaded. So I'm trying to install it. Yes. হ্যাঁ কিছু আছে। Then I have to agree. I accept the agreements. Then at least 583.7 MB free disk space required. Okay, next. Create a desktop shortcut. Next. Install. So finally it is getting installed on my device. আমার ল্যাপটপে কিট ওয়াইফাই দেখাচ্ছে রং পাসওয়ার্ড, এরা মানে মারাবে। ওয়াইফাই রাউটারের পাশে যে হয়তো কানেক্ট করতে হবে। So now I have to click the finish button. So the software is finally being installed.